From the studios of IB Systems and GIS Cafe in Campbell, California, this is David Heller. My guest today is Peter Hazlett, Product Manager at PCI Geomatics. Peter, hello and welcome.
Hello, and thanks for having me on today, David.
Thank you for being here, Peter. And I wonder if you could give us a brief overview of what's new at PCI Geomatics.
Sure. As you may know, PCI Geomatics has over 28 years of experience in the Earth observation realm, creating software to process optical and radar satellites. And our software and solutions have been sold all over the world with a user base in the thousands. In terms of what's new here at PCI Geomatics, we're pretty excited about a few different things. First and foremost is our Geoimaging Tools offering. Geoimaging Tools offers a speedy and efficient means for correcting raw imagery, opening new doors for the integration of remotely sensed imagery into GIS workflows. It will enable users to integrate imagery into those workflows seamlessly. Version 2 of Geoimaging Tools is expected to be released imminently, and it's going to help users integrate satellite sensor support into ArcGIS workflows. We also have a GeoConference application, which recently won a Geospatial Innovator Award this past spring. The GeoConference package allows groups to share and view maps and images interactively over the web in real time. Not only can users share the maps for visualization, but the GeoConference environment allows participants to actively update the image information being seen by all. This product contains tools for hosting interactive geospatial teleconferences, linking clients in remote locations and facilitating connections to geospatial databases. And last but certainly not least is our Geoimaging Accelerator technology, which combines the power and precision of GPU-based hardware with the accuracy and expertise of our automated workflows, resulting in faster, better products.
And what would you say, Peter, makes these products unique and sets them apart from the competition to give you a specialized market opportunity?
Well, each of them is slightly different, so I'll talk a little bit about each one. With the GeoConference product, we actually offer an innovative way for your organization to share maps and images with distant colleagues and clients in real time. What it is really is a complete geographic information-based conferencing system right out of the box. In terms of the Geoimaging Accelerator, this is a product that is industrial strength. Performance improvements that are in this product are the result of improved data handling, distributed multi-threaded processing, and optimized processors. The result is a cost-effective image processing system that completes work in a fraction of the time. And lastly is the Geoimaging Tools products, which allow ArcGIS users to integrate accurate imagery into their workflows seamlessly. The version 2 that's coming out shortly includes image correction tools, which allow users to expand their production capability and reduce costs by taking advantages of all different sensors, satellite and SAR sensors in one package. It also allows users to reduce their costs by achieving high levels of registration accuracy the first time. This is through the use of automated processes for ground control and tie point collection and block bundle adjustment to correct multiple overlapping images in a single pass.
And I wonder if you could get into a little more detail about the products, tell us a bit more of how they work and so forth.
Sure. Well, I'll focus a little more on the Geoimaging Tools product.
Okay.
Because this is one that's coming out shortly, and we're quite excited. So, Geoimaging Tools is actually built as an extension to ArcGIS. It includes our world-renowned technology for image correction, which has been built over 20-plus years of research and development. It takes the best of our existing OrthoEngine Geomatica technology and makes it available to ArcGIS users directly. So to run this image correction process flow, users will require our Geoimaging Tools package along with ArcGIS. So version 2 that we're going to release shortly is going to support ArcGIS 10, which is also due out shortly from Esri. In this package, users will have the option to apply sensor model corrections, making the use of satellite ephemeris information to perform automatic corrections. They can also achieve higher levels of accuracy through the addition of ground control and or tie points if they're available. So our package will include automated tools for the collection of both the ground control points and the tie points. One could use existing imagery that they have in their system already as reference data for the ground control collection. We also support automated collection from existing vector data, whether it be line or polygon data. So once the points are collected, the user will be able to generate a more accurate model and retain the sensor correction information and metadata, and will be supporting the Esri RPDef or raster processing definition files. If anybody wants to know more about the Geoimaging Tools product, they can certainly check out our website at pcigeomatics.com/GI-tools. This actually includes a video tutorial and everything on how the software works. So.
Yeah, in fact, I just saw I just went to your site and I saw a really nice overview of the Geoimaging Tools version 2.0.
That's great. Yeah, and we'd like more to see it. That would be great.
Yeah, it's a very, very informative video. And I wonder if, Peter, you could get into some of your business partners and what these partnerships consist of?
Sure. Well, I'll talk to two specifically. One obviously is in April 2009, PCI joined the Esri Business Partner Program. So together with Esri, we're providing users with optimized desktop and server-based workflows for correcting commercial imagery, along with tools for processing and analyzing radar data. The geoimaging tools will allow both Esri and PCI users to capitalize on their imagery investments and expand their use of geoimaging and geospatial data. PCI will be attending the upcoming Esri user conference in San Diego, and we'll be taking part in the Imagery Island section of the show, along with the Monterey Cross exercise and the Climate Change Showcase.
Wow, okay. And go ahead.
Oh, sorry. As well, we also have a new partnership with Microsoft's photogrammetry division, Vexcel Imaging. So this alliance is actually designed to leverage the strength of the two organizations and to produce an end-to-end image processing system developed specifically for customers of Vexcel Imaging's UltraCam series of high-resolution digital aerial cameras. So that's another one we're very excited about.
Oh, boy, it does sound exciting.
And we're actually going to be at the Vexcel User Conference in the coming week or two over in Vienna, so we're quite excited about that, too.
Wow. So, Peter, how large of a market is PCI Geomatics targeting, and what do you see as a potential growth?
Well, PCI Geomatics continues to be a strong performer in the industry despite the economic downturn. We've continued to expand and invest in our future, and in the last few years have opened global offices in China and the UK and expanded our operations in the US. We're also in the process of advancing our efforts in the Brazilian market. And we believe that the new targeted products that we're creating will enable us to continue our growth by opening up new possibilities for potential clients worldwide. We're also still actively providing our expert knowledge, technology, and services to the various application areas, the defense, security, intelligence area, environmental technology, and the data processing market. Our strength lies in our ability to provide automated leading-edge solutions and to process large volumes of imagery.
And Peter, what can we expect to see in the coming year from PCI Geomatics?
Well, we'll continue to move forward being the leader in multi-sensor support. We tend to add support for new sensors regularly as soon as they're up so that users can take advantage of the newest imagery. As satellites get more and more high resolution and more cameras go up, we want to make sure that our user base is provided with the best tools to support all that imagery. We also continue to try and lead the development in SAR data handling, radar data processing, and information extraction. In fact, before the end of this year, we'll be releasing an Esri extension for ArcGIS to allow users to take advantage of our rich heritage in SAR processing. We've re-engineered a lot of our technology over the past few years to try and increase processing performance, taking advantage of parallel processors and GPU-powered hardware. These improvements will not only be seen in all our new products and the geoimaging accelerator, but we're also working on fitting them into our existing applications as well. I think all of this bodes really well for the PCI customer base and the industry as a whole. Yeah,
so if somebody wanted to learn more about all these new developments and where you're going and so forth, what's the best way for them to learn more about PCI Geomatics?
Well, there's certainly the age-old capability of the website. That seems to be old technology now, but you can visit www.pcigeomatics.com. There's also, if you're in the United States, you can visit pcigeomatics.us. And we're also on Facebook and Twitter. And if you're interested in more information about specific products, you can also find PCI TV on YouTube,
Right.
as well as on our own website.
Right. In fact, I found it there. So
yeah, well, YouTube and Facebook and Twitter, all these technologies for getting information out there are great.
Okay. And Peter, I really appreciate the time you spent with us, and thank you very much for joining us today.
No problem. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you. And this is David Heller, and our guest today was Peter Hazlett, Product Manager at PCI Geomatics.